हर सुबह आपके पास में दो चॉइस होती है, एक तो ये कि आप सोते रहो और सपने।
Good morning all of you. Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation. First article we have excellence in diversity. Equal opportunity in universal education can make affirmative action meaningful. First article we have important, then we will discuss it. Second article, a protocol of difference that is a plainly injurious. प्रोटोकॉल के रिगार्डिंग इसमें इंफॉर्मेशन दे रखी है। इसमें आप आर्टिकल को जनरली पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, इसको आप रीडिंग कर सकते हो। सेकंड आर्टिकल वी हैव प्राइवेसी ए फंडामेंटल राइट द स्टेट मस्ट प्रोटेक्ट। प्राइवेसी एक फंडामेंटल राइट है हमारा, दैट स्टेट को बोला है कि मस्ट प्रोटेक्ट, उसको प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए। ओके, ये आर्टिकल काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको भी हम रीडिंग करेंगे। सेकंड आर्टिकल आपका डिस्करेजिंग नंबर्स, ये इससे भी इम्पोर्टेंट आर्टिकल है। देन वी विल डिस्कस, ये देखो आपकी आउटलाइन बता देता हूँ मैं आप लोगों के लिए। अर्ली डेटा फ्रॉम NHS के रिगार्डिंग एक डेटा आया है, इन की एंथ्रोमेट्रिक एंड न्यूट्रिशन इंडिकेटर्स। ठीक है, ड्यू टू कोविड-19 के द्वारा कि हमारी कितनी डेथ्स हुई है उसके रिगार्डिंग डेटा आया हुआ है। वी विल डिस्कस इट 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स आफ्टर लंच। बी रेडी, 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स स्टार्ट। द सिग्निफिकेंट एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द IIT सिस्टम सिंस 2008 आफ्टर रिजर्वेशन was extended to student candidates belonging to other backward classes has resulted in a vexed situation in which these institutions are unable to find enough qualified faculty members whose recruitment must also meet quota norms bound by the Central Educational Institutions Reservation in Teachers Cadre Act 2019. The IITs must fulfill the important goal of affirmative action while making appointments. While the law is enabling, the benefit cannot be extended to many due to severe mismatch between the demand and availability of technology research graduates. Last year, IIT Delhi had a staggering deficit of 30% in its teacher ranks, and there are 23 such institutes in India now, highlighting the scale of the crisis. It is in this context of large-scale vaccines that the Educational Ministry tasked a committee to suggest effective implementation of reservation in central institutions such as the IITs for both student enrollment and faculty recruitment. The panel headed by IIT Delhi's director has come up with two options to exempt IITs from quotas by including them in the schedule to the 2019 law, which is applicable to institutions of excellence, research institutions, and institutions of national and strategic importance, and to provide reservation to specified grades of assistant professors taking the institution as a whole. Where candidates are not available in the latter case, the posts can be reserved in the subsequent year. An early decision must now be taken by the government without sacrificing equity principles. Diversity achieved through affirmative action such as compensatory discrimination in favor of some classes of citizens corrects historical distortions. For it to be fully realized. However, the commitment is massive. Investments in the education system at all levels, which can raise the capability of students. It is now widely recognized that substituting traditional privilege with opportunity and the right facilities dispels the myth of innate merit. Such an approach ensures justice for those who were deprived. The Ministry's committee echoes this when it recommends government sponsored preparatory programs at the IITs which can help candidates eligible for reservation to get acquainted with high quality academic work and optionally prepare for a PhD if they aspire to be teachers. This is the imperative. Consider that such graduates will help fill not just vacancies in the IITs but also aid to the large number of other technical education institutions that aspire to research excellence. Full stop. Governments must aim for progressive redistribution for which policy should actively expand equal opportunity, starting with a strong liberal public school system. This will strengthen diversity and lay the foundation for the kind of scholarship that institutions of excellence need. Full stop.